Hi guys, good morning. So here we go, the second day. So second day about man overboard rescue episode. So gaganapin mamaya, meron kami i-rescue na man overboard. So kasama namin yung so, dito pa rin kami sa marina. Dito bababa na yung bababa na ulit yung rescue boat.
So guys, yung lifebuoy yung nakikita nyo dun sa tubig, yun yung na as if na rescue natin dun sa man overboard.
Isang kuha lang ah.
So dito sa part na to, bababa na ako kasi kami na yung next na mag-proceed.
Sinabi ko, drop victim port side, saka nyo itapon sa port side. Pag sinabi ko, starboard side. Intindihan nyo ba?
Yes sir.
Okay.
So dito sa part na to, maglalabas na kami at ako na magdadala ng rescue boat. Grabe, isa pala tong training na kailangan nating makuha bago makasampa ng barko. Lahat ng to kinuha mo hindi lang para sa certificate, kundi magagamit mo rin sa realidad na buhay.
Port side. Hardport.
Hardport. Hardport. Midship. Base. Target Alvin side. 245 degree. West. Port side, standby. Next.
Ito yung lifebuoy tinatapon namin kasi ito yung as if na victim namin.
So we are now training, practicing about CRB day 2 sa pagre-rescue na ng man overboard. So yun yung gagawin. Magre-rescue kami if ever there's a possible man overboard tubig sa tubig. So meron doon pipick upin, kunyari yun yung victim man overboard. So pipick upin yun. Kunyari yan yung yung victim.
Victim has been rescued. Suffering by
Shark bite.
Back to base, 20 minutes.
Sa mata ng tubig.
Target locked.
Base. Victim has been rescued. Suffering from hyperthermia. Back to base, 20 minutes. Ang galing. Nakapli sa mata ng tubig. Base. Target has been recovered. Suffering from shark bite. Back to base at 20 minutes.
So yun guys, nagtitake kami ngayon ng SRB. Dito kami sa marina, sa Marina. Nagtitake kami ng SRB ngayon. Training.
Base. Victim sighted. 270 west. Port side rescuer, standby. Ilang beses pinaulit kasi medyo mali yung Victim sighted at 270 west. Pick up at port side, standby. Layo. Hindi na madala sa ano yan. Negative. Oh no, the victim has been drowning. Did not pick up the rescuer. The rescuer failed to pick up the target. The target has been drowning.
rescue. Suffering from head injury. Back to base, 20 minutes.
We're now back to base. We're now back to base. What happened?
Head injury, shark bite.
Oh no. Also the tooth hike.